the way I see the world compared to people with 20/20 vision, it's a lot different. And to be able to change that so I can see what other people see, there's nothing better than that.
You know, our kid's 9 months. He's just starting to crawl. We've got stairs. We have, sharp edges. We have things he could choke on. It's like, I feel a lot of pressure on myself to be like the guy who makes sure that like the child is safe.
When it comes to details or anything like that, it's really, I can't see it.
If he's looking at me and I am like just staring off into space, we're missing that connection, right? We're missing that moment where we could be making faces at each other. We can be doing something where he could be growing.
God, either on our wedding day or on the honeymoon, I told her I would do anything in the world. I would give anything to see you be able to see the world.
When I put them on, we viewed a few videos, and when we were viewing those videos, I felt like I was in a movie theater. I felt like the TV was right here. I was just looking around the room. I could see so much. I could see all of the people in the room. I could see everybody's faces, and I can't normally do that. When I was looking at my husband wearing these, I saw every detail of his face. I could see his beard hair. I could see his eye color, his eyelashes. And I cannot see that. Even when I'm standing right next to him, I can't see his eyelashes.
I just saw my wife for the first time be able to see my son and my face from a distance further than a foot, and it's such a simple thing, right? It's such a simple thing, but it's something that can change their life.
It's gonna open up so many things, and being able to talk to somebody, have a conversation, and make eye contact and read their facial cues, which I can't do right now. So I'm just guessing. I'll be able to read books. I'll be able to go to events and actually see what's happening. It's a special thing.
If you're a person who is living with somebody or somebody with a visual impairment, whether it be a partner, a business associate, anything of that nature, know that Innovega is here and will change the way that they literally see the world.
I never thought this was something that would ever happen. I never thought there would ever be something out there that could help me see so well.
Her standing at the kitchen, at the counter, looking over and seeing her son smile at her and smiling back, and if my son can get that from his mother, if she can see that smile and smile back, how will that impact him? How will that impact his perception of the world, his perception of kindness, of love? And that's what Innovega is going to give people.